Welcome back to Party Slayers with Lapuchi Sister Rewind. It's a Women's Day. Langa lembokodo. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Lovely.
Lithini langa lembokodo kuwe?
Well, it is a day where we embrace women, where we understand what is a woman, besides being a mother, besides being the person who's supposed to be taking care of a family and all that. A woman is someone who has to be respected, someone who carries embodiment or rather power. So someone like that has to be celebrated each and every time. Yeah.
Siyabonga. Njengoba kuyi-Women's Day, so umnandi.
You'll be happy.
Do you consider yourself as imbokodo?
Well, wathinta umfazi wathinta imbokodo, I'm one of them.
You are one that ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi mina I'm one of you.
Well, there is no woman like me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There is no woman like her. Sekashilo, it's a Women's Day. Whether gay or bi or njani, as long as you consider yourself as imbokodo, uyiyo. Take care of yourself. This is Party Stayers with Dapush. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.